What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at the brand new Supreme and Stone Island sweatshirt in the black colorway. Here we go. Alright, so this entire collection here dropped on March the 14th, 2019, and it dropped on the Supreme website as well in all Supreme retail locations and on the Stone Island site as well as Stone Island flagship stores all around the world. Now here's what I found interesting: the price. Now on the Supreme website, if you bought this from Supreme either in-store or on the site, these sweatshorts retail for $228 US. Now the interesting thing is that on the Stone Island site or in Stone Island stores, these exact same shorts cost $178 US. That's a $50 difference between Supreme and Stone Island. And I think that is because Stone Island is a manufacturer of these garments. Even though it is a collaboration, Stone Island is the one making them. And Supreme is the one buying them from Stone Island. And so they have to make some sort of profit on top of what Stone Island is charging for it. So luckily for me, I got these off the Stone Island site, if you can't tell already from the box. So I saved $50 US on these shorts. Now they came in two other colorways. They came in the black here, and they also came in a mustard or olive color, and then a red or more of a burgundy rust color. I thought for shorts for myself, the black color would be best. I also got the hoodie in a yellow color because I'm always wanting a yellow or olive or mustard colored hoodie, but the shorts are a black option for me. Now when you order from Stone Island, you get this very nice black box. It's like a really nice hard plastic shipping box with branding on the front for Stone Island and a magnetic closure. Now if we open this box up, we are immediately introduced to the shorts, which look like this. Alright, let's set this box aside here. So firstly, the first thing you notice is the color of these shorts. The color is not quite black, and it's kind of a charcoal gray color, and that is because of the process that Stone Island has used to get the color on these garments. They used a special dyeing process that essentially splatters one color on top of the next, so you'll see little imperfections of color around the actual garment, and that means that every single piece is one of one. They're all unique in their own way, and to me, that stands this collection out from all the rest already. The shorts feature a basic drawstring closure, which is pretty simple for all other shorts, and they are a sweatshort material. They are not the cargo pant or cargo short material that Stone Island usually makes. They are the regular sweatshort material, so very athletic and very casual looking. On the left pant here, we do have a zippered pocket with, of course, the Stone Island badge, and then that badge is kept on by two black Stone Island buttons. The two regular pockets that you hold your phone in and wallet in, things like that, they are not zippered, but they are quite roomy enough for, again, your phone or any other accessory that you might have carrying around with you. Now, on the back right pocket, you do have another zippered pocket, and this is where my favorite part of the whole garment is. There is the embroidered Supreme and Stone Island patch or badge or logo, whatever you want to say, onto the actual garment itself, and that is embroidered in a matching gray or charcoal colored text. And then as far as sizing go, I am a size 34 in pants, and these are a size large, and as far as I can tell, they fit pretty true to size. And then finally, last but not least, on the inside of the short, you do have the Supreme and Stone Island branding on the woven tag with the Made in Romania tag below that, and that is pretty much it for these shorts. So, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below what you want to see more of and what you want to see less of, and what you want to see me review next after this. But until the next one, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.